what is Nembutsu then? So what is Namu Amida Butsu? We don't know anything.
Okay. Nem in Japanese originally means keeping something in one's mind. And Butsu means Buddha. Therefore, Nembutsu originally means keeping Amida Buddha in one's mind. Zendo Daishi interpreted the Nembutsu as calling the name of Amida, saying Namu Amida Butsu. Honen Shonin and Jodoshu follow Zendo Daishi's interpretation. So we think of Nembutsu as reciting Namu Amida Butsu. Namu means taking refuge in or paying respect to or putting my faith in. Mida of Amida means measuring. You know the word meter. 1 meter, 2 meters. Initial A means non. Therefore, Amida means immeasurable or infinite. Sutras say that the light emitted by Amida and the life of the Buddha are both immeasurable. I put my faith in Amida Buddha, whose emitting light and life are immeasurable. This is the meaning of Namu Amida Butsu. However, when chanting a Nembutsu, we don't need to think of that meaning of Namu Amida Butsu. It is enough to chant Nembutsu wholeheartedly. This is the teaching of Honen Shonin.